What's wrong, Cassie?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, my head is in pain and you're sitting here recording this. Oh, so cute. You want a hug? No, I don't want a hug. It's okay, I was going to give you a hug anyway. Well, good. I just want my head to stop hurting. Stop hurting? I didn't touch it. You tried. I was thinking about it. Ow! Like this. Ow! I didn't hit you, but you were thinking it. I know. What are you doing? You know what?
Oh, this rules.
I gotta pull down my dress and I don't feel like it. I got glitter on your shoes. Like all over.
Oh, those are my shoes.
Inside the glitter.
Where?
All over. The glitter.
Where? I don't see any glitter.
It's right there. And then your shoe. And then your shoe. And it's got little black dots. It's glitter too. And it's on my hand.
See, my awesome shoes. Awesome shoes.
Don't hurt.
Alright, stop complaining about it so I can stop recording.
No, I'm serious. It like really still hurts.
Think happy thoughts. Frank. Without a shirt.
Do you have a boyfriend? No. Boys are stupid.
Frank without a shirt.
He likes them. Frank? Heck yes I do.
It's Frank.